Moms, have you ever thought if I could just earn a little more, things would finally feel easy? Welcome to Full On Self Motivation, your journey from aspiration to inspiration. This is Nitya Rangarajan, your host, and today's topic is very close to my heart because earlier I used to think that earning more will actually fix my money anxiety, but it did not. So, I'm going to discuss something important today, so please stay tuned. Tell me frankly, you do start earning more, I know, maybe from a promotion, side hustle, or a business, and somehow that stress around money doesn't go away. Your expenses grow, your worries grow, but peace, that is still missing. So, today I want to tell you why. Because what you are dealing with is not a lack of money, it is actually an inner leak that no one talks about. Imagine you have a beautiful pot, okay, and you pour more and more water into it, but it never fills because there is a tiny crack at the bottom. That's what happens when we keep increasing income without healing the beliefs underneath. Indian moms especially carry decades of conditioning. Money is not for us to handle. Women should save quietly, not grow boldly. It's selfish to spend on yourself. So when money flows in, we subconsciously find ways to empty it. Overgiving, guilt spending, or saving so hard that life feels joyless. And I once worked with a mom, and she had doubled her income after years of hard work, but she still found herself checking her bank balance with fear every week. So she told me, Nitya, no matter how much I earn, I always feel like it's slipping away. When we dug deeper, we found that as a child, she had heard her parents argue over money. Her brain had linked that more money with more conflict. So she unconsciously kept finding ways to lose it by shopping, lending, or avoiding investment. So her problem was not financial management, it was actually emotional leakage. So I want you to know three common leaks that cause money anxiety for moms. First is the guilt leak. Okay. So you feel bad spending on yourself. You think joy is luxury and it is not a necessity. That is the guilt leak. Second is the fear leak. You believe money will disappear if you invest it. So it sits idle, shrinking slowly. And the third one is the control leak. You try to manage every rupee perfectly, but the pressure steals your peace. So until you seal these leaks, earning more just means leaking faster. Now, let me tell you how to start healing your money anxiety. First step is awareness, undoubtedly. Write down what emotions come up when you check your account. Is it fear, guilt, or pride? Awareness is the flashlight that finds that crack. Second step is rewiring the belief. When guilt appears, tell yourself, I am allowed to receive. My peace is productive. You're not taking from your family, you are growing with them, right? And step three, build conscious flow. Create three small money jars or accounts, one for essentials, one for growth, that is your investments, and one for joy. Even 100 rupees in the joy jar tells your mind that money and happiness can coexist. So, moms, please remember this, more money won't heal anxiety, but more awareness will. My Millionaire Mom program, I help moms fix these inner leaks so they can build real wealth with peace and not pressure. Because a true millionaire mom isn't the one who is earning the most. She is the one whose heart and wallet are both full.